Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers cheap, reserve, local, and long distance movers near me. Relocating long distance is usually the most difficult thing to plan, and especially when it involves more than 50-mile distances. Whether shifting, preventing wear and tear, or stress about permits or licenses, it becomes stressful to a long distance shift. But thankfully, there are professional moving firms like 3 Movers who provide shifting services at the most affordable prices and providing shifting services for interstate and outer state. Moreover, as long distance shifts require more planning and workforce, our moving team is qualified to navigate shifts. And also, you are equipped with the necessary tools to carefully pack and load the belongings. Most people prefer not to hire a professional moving firm to shift locally and prefer doing the packing, shifting, and unpacking on their own, which ultimately consumes a lot of time and may cause injuries and cost expensive items. So, rather than wasting while figuring it out alone, hire trained movers like 3 Movers and shift in your dream paradise the same day without any delay. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Reserve Moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.